Stop what you're doing. Are you still spending hours manually cleaning your data, clicking through rows, dragging formulas? Well, I used to do that too, until I discovered one feature that changed everything for me. And no, it's not the sum function. It's not even VBA. It's something that most people don't know about. It's a feature called Power Query. I'm not exaggerating when I say it replaced over 100 clicks in my daily workflow. One file used to take me 40 minutes to prepare. Now it's done in 2. Here's a quick example. Let's say you have an Excel file with some messy data and you want to get some insights. First, you can use Power Query to connect to your data source. Second, you can use its built-in features to clean your data. For example, remove duplicates, handle missing values, transform your data types. Third, you can use Power Query to transform your data. For example, you can append queries together, or you can add calculated columns, or even conditional formatting. Fourth, you can refresh your data. Power Query allows you to schedule refresh or do it manually with a simple click. All these features are available right out of the box. You don't need to write a single line of code. Now, if you're skeptical and thinking this sounds too good to be true, well, let me tell you, it's not. In fact, I used to spend 40 minutes every day copying and pasting data from different sources into Excel, and then I had to manually clean it, format it, and then finally I could use some of the formulas to get some insights. With Power Query, I can get the same result in less than 2 minutes. And here's the best part. Once you learn Power Query, you can apply it to any type of data. It doesn't matter if it's in an Excel file, a text file, a CSV file, a database, or even a web query. Power Query can handle it all. Look, most people think Excel is just for doing basic calculations, like sum, and for using simple features like filters and sorting. They don't know about powerful features like Power Query. If you learn how to use it, you will stand out. You will look like a rock star in your organization because you will be able to connect to multiple data sources, clean and transform the data, and present it in a way that everyone can understand. You will save time. You will work smarter, not harder, and you will get noticed. Trust me, if you're still spending hours cleaning your data manually by copying and pasting, stop. Watch this video again and let Excel do the heavy lifting for you. Now go get 'em!